just like inside Lagoon. Inside having Lagoon look like big swimming pool. Okay, Village Lagoon. Location from the movie Jurassic Park #2. Yes, Jurassic Park #2. Okay, beautiful. You can see underwater. Underwater, this area is not deep. You look underwater.
Can see the water.
Underwater. This area is not deep, but inside is very, very, very deep. About 20.
The water there is very deep. That's why it's quite dark. See there? That's dark, deep water.
Okay, you look from behind. Okay, water is very different color.
Yes,
You look, it's very deep.
it's very
Did you
deep.
see the view from behind you from the PT Island? It's big heart.
So nice. Parang Romblon. Charot.